Hi, I am Dr. Holly Lucille, part of the Integrative Medical Advisory Team here at Natural Partners, and I'm joined by Dr. Alex Keller. So once again, bringing you an episode of Dr. Crew Review, and today we're going to be talking about what I think is one of the largest growing categories in the natural product industry, collagen. I mean, Alex, I have patients coming in already on collagen supplements and people talking about it all the time. So let's just get to it. Tell me what collagen is.
So collagen actually comes from the Greek word kolla, which means glue, and gen, which means to produce. So glue producing, right? so collagen is actually the most abundant protein in our body.
Structural protein.
Protein.
Right, so it glues us together.
Exactly. It's in everything in our tissues. So bones, skin,
Tendons.
muscles, tendons, organs, eyes, everything, right? And now what we're finding is that over time, our collagen tends to break down with aging.
Yes, I have to tell you, this is a true story. I was in a board meeting about 4 years ago. I looked down at my arm and I kind of chuckled and said to myself, literally, I think I even posted it somewhere, like, has anybody seen my collagen? Because it's true, it happens.
Yeah. Aging happens and collagen is unfortunately a victim of that.
Yeah. And I know this process can be increased by poor lifestyle habits, smoking, alcohol use, poor diet, all of those, oxidative stress for sure.
Right. So the interest in collagen now is, can we use collagen supplementally, or can we increase its production through the diet, through lifestyle, prevent it from breaking down and such, to prevent the aging process from happening to things like our skin, our muscles, our organ health, all of that.
Our joints. And then we go to the category that I think is like off the hook right now and growing, are collagen supplements.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, all right, so vital nutrients, the marine collagen, once again, so there's 28 types, I think, in the body of collagen.
Yeah.
Mostly we're comprised of type 1, type 2, and type 3, and that's what I'm seeing in a lot of the collagens that are out there on the market right now. This one, marine, wild caught, very important, I think, to look for in collagen supplementation, whether it's pasture-raised, grass-fed, wild caught, things like that. This, of course, type 1 and type 3.
Right, so you've got your type 1 and type 3 in the marine collagen, and then more commonly what you would see in either beef or chicken extracts of collagen, you're looking at type 1 and type 2.
Type 2.
So just slightly different. Type 1 is 90% of the collagen in our body, so you're primarily getting type 1 in these supplements. The collagen peptides is an important point as well, that the reason why you have it in peptide form is because you want a broken down version of the collagen so that it can be better absorbed.
So you see hydrolyzed in that.
Hydrolyzed, exactly.
Right. Yeah, because poorly absorbed orally collagen for the most part. And then new to the platform, new to Natural Partners, Ancient Nutrition, they've got a whole array, and this is actually a protein powder made from bone broth.
Right, so it's just dehydrated bone broth. And bone broth being the primary source of nutrients for producing collagen means it's a good option for people who may not be consuming meat on the bone, organ meats, vitamin C, cruciferous vegetables. This way you can get all the nutrients that you need and be able to produce collagen.
Or not taking the time to actually make bone broth, which I know how to do it, I've done it before, and then I fall off. I do it and I fall off. And I think that's the experience with a lot of people, so this is very, very handy to get this in. So
Absolutely. Yeah.
I think, like you said, research is going to be robust as far as other things coming out, but we know that this degrades over time, and we've got an opportunity here and an incredible category. And this, of course, Vital Proteins, just came on the market as well, or came on the Natural Partners.
Yes, it did, yeah. So Vital Proteins, not to be confused with Vital Nutrients, different line of products, but Vital Proteins has a variety of collagen products that are worth exploring. One thing to mention as well that makes collagen products very good for compliance is that they have relatively no taste.
No taste.
Yeah, and they're very easily mixed into smoothies or water or otherwise.
Blueberry and...
Exactly, yeah. So it's a nice thing that you can use for supplementation. And what I tend to do, because when you're not looking at something like a bone broth protein, which has over 20 grams per scoop, with the typical collagen supplements, it's usually around 10 grams of protein.
So you got the building blocks, not the abundance of protein.
Not the abundance of protein, right? So if you want like 20 to 30 grams of protein as a dose, then I would suggest with my patients, they often will combine 1 dose of collagen with 1 dose of their protein powder, and then they get the best of both worlds.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, so listen, if you have any questions whatsoever about collagen, about the ingredients we talked about the products, the brands, by all means, like this video and comment below, because we're going to keep this conversation going. And if you want to learn more and access these products, you can go to fullscript.com or naturalpartners.com.